You guys, so this strategy is insane. I hope that everyone sees this video and gets interested in getting this strategy. So I'm gonna close my profits. My target was really 1,000 profits, and I got that because of my strategy. This strategy is crazy, from $470 to $1,400 and something dollars in profits, 1.5 profits, and I just tripled my account. So I'm gonna close. This is crazy for me. What is up, everybody? Thank you so much for opening this video. Welcome to the channel. I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who have subscribed to this channel. I'm so grateful to each and one of you. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button and let's be a family. Thank you guys. Thank you each and one of you. It means so much to me. You guys make the numbers, so I'm very grateful to you guys. In this video, it's not going to be a long video. I'm just showing you guys how you could trade, or you can trade a flag, a bullish flag. A bullish flag is a chart pattern. All right, so I see one right here, and if I saw this one earlier before it took off, you guys, I would have gotten a perfect entry. So this is how it is, right? I see like a bullish flag setup within a bullish flag setup. I'm not even kidding. Look at this right here. We have the overall bullish flag. We have the overall setup. We have the impulsive moves to the upside. We have the correction, and then we just broken the correction right now, and it's pushing towards the upside impulsively, right? And then within this setup, we have this tiny little setup right here, but that contributed to the overall setup. So we have the impulsive move here, correction, and then impulsive. Look at how beautiful that is. So I just want, it really impressed me, you guys. That is why I'm hyping it. Either way, this is how you do it. If you do not know what a bullish flag is a pattern, a chart pattern. It is a continuation chart pattern. This is it right here, as you guys can see. It is a really great technical setup to make profits. If you just search for flags right here, if you search for flags on a trending market, so you would have this downtrend right here, and then within this downtrend, you know, you have these corrections. As you guys can see, look at this, a breakout, you sell, you don't even hesitate, and then you have these impulsive moves, and then before the impulsive move, you have this. Do you see these patterns? And then when they break out, you enter. Whole profits right here, whole profits. Even though it's not as beautiful like as I'm showing you guys all the time, but once you find those opportunities, you can be able to make profits out of them, right? So search for them. Even though you literally don't need to analyze heavily or whatsoever, you just have to zoom out and just be able to really, you know, see and just be able to really notice them. And also you have to learn how to draw them and get used to them. All right, so we have this flag right here. So this is our flag. Once it broke out, you could have entered, and then you could have used this level as your take profit. First take profit would have been here, and you know, it could have been reached, and then re-enter, move your stop loss to break even, and take profit again right here. You choose what to do with it, but this is how simple it is. You just have to look for these guys, look for the impulsive moves, correction, and then enter on the second impulsive wave, right? Look at this. So it's impulsively to the downside, corrects itself, and then impulsive moves to the downside. Once you get used to these flags or these chart patterns, you'll be able to be a profitable trader.